ang adobo.
Wow.
Yan. Chicken adobo ang ulam natin ngayong hapunan. Yan. Ba, talagang hita lang ang binibigay mo sa akin, ha?
Favorite.
Ano na alam mo, paborito ko, ha? Yan, sarap. Chicken adobo. May bulalo pa tayo.
You want
Kahapon yan.
legs or thigh?
Yan.
I can't do this.
Okay, come on now. Let's go. Come here. That's it. Oh, tikman natin to.
Skin.
Oh, sarap. Init. Oh,
Can I taste the soup? Can I taste the sauce?
dito so. Right?
Oh yeah.
Diet?
Tastes so good.
Oh,
I definitely need food.
Mm-hmm.
I've been playing Lego for like an hour.
so good.
Definitely.
Right. Let's go.
I need my sauce.
Kain na tayo. Let's go and eat.
I'll get you
Bye-bye.
one, alright?